Hello. In this video we want to introduce you the most expensive motorcycles ever sold. If you want to know the top in the world, please subscribe our channel and like this video. So stay with us until the end. Number 1, Harley-Davidson Bucherer Blue Edition. This motorcycle is a custom creation in collaboration with Swiss watchmaker Bucherer. It is renowned for its luxurious design and meticulous detailing. The Harley-Davidson Bucherer Blue Edition holds the record for the most expensive motorcycle ever sold, with a reported selling price of $13 million. Number 2, Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter. Produced by Confederate Motors, the Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter is a high-performance motorcycle with a distinctive and sleek design. It features a powerful engine and advanced engineering. It was sold for a remarkable $11 million. Number 3, E90 AJS Porcupine. The E90 AJS Porcupine is an iconic motorcycle that was manufactured in the late 1940s. It is celebrated for its innovative features, including a dual overhead camshaft engine. The selling prices for E90 AJS Porcupine motorcycles can range from $675,000 to as high as $7 million, depending on factors such as rarity, condition, and historical significance. Number 4, Ecos Spirit. Crafted by Ecos Moto Works, the Ecos Spirit is a high-performance motorcycle known for its powerful engine and lightweight construction. It offers exceptional speed and agility. The reported selling price for the Ecos Spirit is $3.6 million. Number 5, Hildebrand and Wolfmuller. The Hildebrand and Wolfmuller is an esteemed motorcycle recognized as the world's first production motorcycle. Manufactured in the late 19th century, surviving examples are extremely rare and hold immense value. The selling prices for Hildebrand and Wolfmuller motorcycles can range from $131,200 to as high as $3.5 million, depending on factors such as condition, historical significance, and provenance. Number 6, Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship. The Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship is a custom motorcycle designed by artist Jack Armstrong. It boasts vibrant, hand-painted cosmic-themed artwork, making it truly unique. The reported selling price for the Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship is $3 million. Number 7, Vincent Black Lightning. The Vincent Black Lightning is an iconic British motorcycle renowned for its speed and performance. It achieved numerous speed records in the 1950s and gained fame as the fastest production motorcycle of its time. Vintage Vincent Black Lightning motorcycles are highly coveted by collectors, with reported selling prices ranging from $929,000. Number 8, Cyclone Board Track Racer. The Cyclone Board Track Racer is a vintage motorcycle primarily built for racing on wooden board tracks in the early 20th century. Original Cyclone motorcycles are rare and hold significant historical value. The reported selling price for the Cyclone Board Track Racer is $852,500. These motorcycles have captivated enthusiasts and collectors with their exceptional design, engineering, historical significance, and scarcity, which have contributed to their extraordinary selling prices in the market.